Tired of boring study hacks? Let me guess. You've tried color coding, flashcards, and those miracle study methods that never seem to work for you. That messy desk and confused look? Yeah, I've been there too. Welcome to Aurova Spark. We're all about smart tips, planners, and tricks that make studying not just easier, but actually fun. I know fun and studying in the same sentence sounds impossible, but stick with me. Here at Aurova Spark, we're not about recycling the same old advice. We provide unique study hacks that actually work with your brain, not against it. Our productivity tricks are designed for real students with real challenges like procrastination, distractions, and that overwhelming feeling when assignments pile up. And our planners, they're not just pretty, they're functional. Designed with student psychology in mind, our templates help you organize information in ways your brain naturally processes it. No more forcing yourself into systems that don't fit how you think. But here's the really exciting part. We've got something big coming soon. We're developing a special system that rewards you for studying. That's right, imagine getting actual rewards for putting in those hours of work. We can't share all the details yet, but trust me, it's worth the wait. The best part? Everything we create is designed to make studying stress-free. Because let's be honest, education is stressful enough without complicated study systems making it worse. So if you're ready to transform how you learn, follow Aurova Spark now. Let's make studying something you actually look forward to. Together, we'll turn those stressful study sessions into productive, maybe even enjoyable experiences. Your academic journey just got a whole lot brighter.